Welcome sa ating Episode 3, Addition of Dissimilar Fractions and Mixed Numbers. Part 2, Using Butterfly Method. So itong butterfly method na ito ay mainam gamitin kapag ang mga numbers natin or ang denominators ay prime numbers or ang common factor na lang ay 1. Example number 1. 1 and 1/3 plus 7 and 3/5. So, gaya ng tinuturo ko, check muna natin yung denominators. So, we have dissimilar fractions here because yung denominators natin are dissimilar or hindi sila magkaparehas. So, paano bang gagawin natin dyan? So, ang ginagawa ko, 1 fraction plus 7 fraction. So, ibig sabihin, kinopya ko muna yung mga whole numbers and we will be making similar fractions. Paano? So, pag tingnan natin mabuti. So, una kong ginagawa, yung ating denominators, so dissimilar fractions, ang gagawin ay pagmumultiplyin. Yes. So, multiply natin. 3 times 5 equals 15. So, yan na po yung magiging bago nating denominator. Next po, 1 times 5. So, nauna yung numerator nung unang addend natin. So, yung unang sagot sa 1 times 5 ay ilalagay natin sa unang fraction natin. So, sa unang addend. So, magiging 5. Then, 3 times 3 equals 9. So, sa pangalawang fraction naman siya. So, kung mapapansin natin ay we have already similar fractions. So, anong gagawin natin? Gaya ng tinuro ko, we have the same denominator. So, copy ulit. 15. Then, add the numerators. So, we have 14. And then, the whole numbers. So, we have 8. So, the answer is 8 and 14/15. So, final answer na yan kasi consecutive numbers naman na yung 14 at 15. Example number 2. 5 and 1/3 plus 2 and 2/4. So again, check the denominators. We have different denominators. So dissimilar fractions po yan. 5 fraction plus 2 fraction. So nakita po natin, muli po, sinulat ko muna yung whole number. Hindi po muna natin pinag-add. Then, we have the denominators. 3 times 4 equals, yes, 12. Then, what's next? Yes, so 1 times 4 equals 4. Then, 3 times 2 equals 6. So, ito na yung time. We have 5 and 4/12 plus 2 and 6/12. So, we have the same denominators already. So, we will just copy that. Then, add the, yes, numerators. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Then, 5 plus 2 equals 7. So, i-divide na po natin siya sa 2 halves. Bakit? May video tutorial na po tayo dyan. We have even numbers po yan. So, pwede po natin siyang i-divide by 2. So, answer, una, kopyahin muna si whole number. Then, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Again, consecutive na po yung ating fraction, yung numbers na yung numerator at denominator. So, that is our final answer. Next, example number 3, 6 and 3/5 plus 8 and 5/7. So, again, we have the similar fractions. Kopyahin muna natin yung whole number, 6 fraction plus 8 fraction. Then, multiply the denominators. 5 times 7 equals, yes, 35. Then, numerator by the denominator. 3 times 7 equals 21, yes. And then 5 times 5 equals, yes, 25. Then, moving on, we have 6 and 21 30/5 plus 8 and 25 30/5. So again, we can add the fractions by first copying the denominator. So we have 35. Then, 21 plus 25 equals 46. Then, the whole numbers, 6 plus 8 equals 14. So, what have you observed on our fraction? Anong napansin natin? Yes, meron tayong improper fraction. So, isi-simplify po natin yan. So, let's simplify 14 and 46 35. So, una, kopyahin muna natin si whole number. Then, plus, dividing the numerator by the denominator or isi-simplify natin. So, 46 divided by 35. So, minsan ang tinatanong ko, ilang 35 ang makukuha mo sa 46? So, ang sagot dyan is 1. Then, we have the remainder, 11. So, yung 1, again, is our whole number. So, ipa-plus na natin siya. Then, the remainder will be our new numerator, and then we will just copy the denominator. So, we have 1 and 11/35 from 46 and 46 35 o yung nirename na natin yung ating improper fraction. So, we have 15 and 11/35. So, we have here yung 11 ay prime number na yan. So, pwede hindi na natin siya mai-simplify kasi ang common factor na lang dalang dalawa ay 1 na lang. So, that is our final answer. So, yun lamang po. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo. Thank you and God bless.